Hi everyone, my order came. It's not my order actually. Charlene and I ordered this, but this is for my pupils. She has her order at home, and this is for the pupils, for the giveaways of my pupils during their Christmas party. And I'm going to unbox it today because my sister Cheryl would wish to see it, what's inside. And I would also like to see what's really inside
Fidget
this
Sire, so
bag.
itong here.
Huh? Should I change? Let's continue. We are trying to change angles because we don't have the proper lighting, and the iPhone 14 Plus, I thought that it's good, but no, it's not good because it's showing my pores.
Really clean.
Yeah, Mitchell is cleaning. She's also washing clothes while we are just acting rich, like unboxing orders from Shopee. That's how you call work until you don't mind the price anymore. So I'm going to unbox this. Oh yeah, you already know that I'm unboxing this. These are for the boys. Look.
Oh, cake. Nice lagi ang design sa'yo, cake. Ato a plain.
So, i-cancel na to.
Yeah, these are for my boys. See, it's what? It's this a belt bag?
Ing nagyap ako asad ti.
What do you call this kind of bag? Belt bag? Shoulder bag for the boys?
Lista.
Belt bag? No, it can't be. These are for my boys.
Ing sa akong ipalit lagi, pero ang katong plain.
Why would you ask me to change? Charlene efforted just to give my boys like this a better color and a better design. It's a matter of hard work.
What shop?
What shop? You ask Charlene.
Naman na sa packaging.
I'm not a Shopee addict.
Ako daw.
This is my first ever purchase that is so big.
Let me see.
No, but I didn't order it by myself, so it's still not my order. They are all the same. Yeah, differently I looked. I also have plains.
Kana ato a cake no.
Oh. Yeah.
Different. I have different. Will you please speak English? Oh, I also have like this.
Ay, kana.
Ito.
Pila na ti.
I don't know. Is there pan in the...
Basig mas barato dira cake.
Uy, you're speaking Bisaya. I'm speaking English. Nagkarong-gramming. How much did I order? I have, I think 25.
1,101 iyahang nakuan.
Kai, how will I know if how many arrive?
There's 22 here in total.
10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, correct. I have 22 bags for the boys. Now let's open the gifts, the giveaways for my girls. Is this seen?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the new feature of our bed.
It's because of Yuko.
It's because of Kani? It's because of Yoko. Do you know who Yuko is?
This is Ayaya.
That's our dog. Before it's a person. Our sister Michelle, the Yuko Zuri, that was our sister. But then when the dog came, there's finally a human being. No, a being named as Yuko. Okay, so that's
Same naman dahil teacher.
first
Same
order
lang?
bag for the...
Ay, di ba same round price? Basig mas barato.
Sorry guys, the background. Can you please show your face? Show your face.
No.
Show your face.
No, because we're so haggard.
Yeah, like me. But I'm better than them, guys.
Yeah.
You know the beauty of...
Aditurinate.
One man siya.
This is the bag.
Oh, okay.
Can I open?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, of course. I will be giving this to them. Oh, this one. These are for the girls. Aesthetics.
Yeah.
Like that ba?
You wore it.
Charlene suggested that we should put something inside so that it will bulge. Bulge?
Ano na lang. Abot sa klase. Oh, sige, bata yung sketch paper dere sa bag. May ibalik na ako.
Ayaw lang. Yeah, and there is a freebie. Recreation Sports. Is this
Wala
is
kay
this the
freebie
name
ato
of the
ki.
shop?
Pila gitong ato ang...
Is this the name of the shop, Kai? Kenny Recreation
43.
Sports, or just a brand
No,
name?
just the brand.
Just a brand.
Kuante.
I thought,
Tag 51, mahugog tag 50, tag 51 ang kanang
what is this? A hat or a cap? A cap, no?
Cap.
I have how many? I ordered 31. Is this correct?
Yeah, look at the total there.
But that includes the cap. So I have
No.
beige,
Oh, yeah.
char beige. I have nudes. What's this?
That's like,
White. This one nude.
yeah.
I have pink. I also have this kind of design. These are varied man. Just the price. The price of what you've been paying. This is it. I have white. This one looks good. Oh, this one, it has designs. The girls will like it, right? Hey, the girls will like it.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yes.
Tag 38 ra ato, teacher Will. Lahat, tag 50.
Yes!
Tag 50? Yeah. One man. Ay, naaman dahil ni shipping.
Ay, i-consider na atong shipping daw, tanan.
Kuan natin nabayaran sa kanila.
Wait, why are you saying the price? The price of this is worth... Look, why is this big?
38.
Ay, okay.
38 times. Pinagin niya ako.
Ay, ganahan ko makadawat, ana.
It's
Kaya
not fun.
Kaya na i-gold.
Yeah, but the quality is worth the price.
Okay.
So,
760 teacher.
it's not...
760 ato. Kaya lahat ay 1 Pero wala kami shipping.
Since this is cheaper version, so the quality is also a cheaper version, but if it's in the picture, it looks nice. And you know, everything today is about picture, so it doesn't matter if it's quality, if it's real, what do you call that one? If it's really durable or not.
I-add down
So that's all for my unboxing. Can I just speak for a while, guys?
Sorry.
And okay, pass by. That's the original Yuko.
Actually, ang curtain lang nakita.
It's okay.
Pila tanan natin?
The one bringing the curtains.
There, oh,
That's the
plus
original Yuko. See, they're still so nice.
Sorry.
Thank you very much for watching. I am Dichi. And I'm grateful and glad that you chose to watch me. Bye.
Bye. Mo 49 each pero naa pa magunay one thing, shipping.
Merry Christmas! Grade 6 love. Can I say something crazy?
I'm not crazy.
You know what? You know what? Before, I used to give kanang gold. I used to give gold necklaces to my grade 6 girls in Izilim worth 10 pesos, 20 pesos, 30 pesos. The next day, just after receiving, it is already rusty.
Yeah.
And I'm so ashamed for that. And I'm very, very sorry. You know, teacher is so poor. Even today, teacher is still so poor.
You
But
used to give the minion keychains.
yeah, I used to give them keychains. I gave them.
Your first Christmas giveaway to your students.
I know you
Bea.
remembered. I didn't remember.
Bea's time.
Yeah, I also for the paraklit sa private
Oh,
school
I
keychain.
I
Private
even rocked it, you know?
Wow, that's why it's memorable to you.
Yeah.
And then I also tried giving them wallets. The wallets are worth 20 pesos because you know the children are so many. I also tried giving headbands. I also tried giving mugs.
Uy, grade 6 na ako. Mugs, Beato. Nakapatay ka ng Merry
Candies.
Christmas, grade 6 BJ.
Brenda Hudaya.
Yes.
Yeah,
Then I realized that mugs day is from I saw that mugs in Unita.
and then you should still be grateful.
Yeah, I know. I'm
You are
so
receiving
happy.
it for free, and
Yeah.
and that means that your teacher is thinking of you. It's
Yeah.
the thoughts that counts.
Yeah, nya magsakay pa na sila jeep, nya pila ang magbaguod pa na sila dala.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
I even
If you receive something, you should always be grateful about it because you don't know how
The
much
struggle.
sacrifices, struggles that they've been pouring out just to give you that gift. I'm not counting like the ng winta. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just trying to let you realize that you should appreciate and be grateful even in the little things that
Teacher,
you will be
approve the
receiving.
imo order.
But I'm supposed to say goodbye, right? I have said goodbye. I have already bid my goodbyes, but I'm still saying again. I'm still talking again because I love something crazy.
Of a life and spirit.
Okay, mag-on ako. Mag-order ako sa Shopee.
In my face.
O sige, nakanaan na
Nasa
kay...
maabot it.
Peace out. O, saan na?
Peace out.
Peace, ano? Peace out. Bye. Why are you still videoing? Should I continue stop? Continue stop?
Why are you still filming me?
Okay guys, I'm going to...
Ah, man na,
share.